Hey guys, it's Sylvia. I'm here today to show you how to make a delicious cauliflower ceviche. It's one of my favorite things to eat because it's really fast, it's very refreshing, and it's healthy for you. So if you want to learn how I made it, please go ahead and watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. See you next time. Right, so the ingredients that I have here are all ready to go. They're all chopped up. We're gonna start with some cauliflower that I have over here. This cauliflower is raw and I chopped it really finely. I squeezed the juice of 2 limes to kind of cook the cauliflower a little bit before adding all the other vegetables. So I have that right there, and I also will be adding some cucumber. This is a large cucumber. I took the seeds out and cut it into little squares. I also have 2 tomatoes and half of a red onion. Over here, it's about 2/3 of a cup of shredded cotija cheese. This is gonna give a really good flavor to our ceviche. I have some salt over here. This is Himalayan pink salt. And I made this salsa by throwing 2 Serrano peppers in the blender and a jalapeno with a little bit of garlic powder and the juice of 3 limes. I blended it really well, and this is what I ended up with. If you don't want it as spicy, use 1 or 2 peppers. So I'm gonna start by mixing the cucumbers, the tomatoes, and the onion with my cauliflower. I'm gonna mix all of that really well. Right, so we're gonna mix everything very well. It already looks so pretty and so delicious. You can also add some cilantro, but I honestly didn't have any, but I absolutely love to add cilantro to this recipe. So now it's time for our cheese. This cheese is one of my favorites, so I will use all of it. You don't have to. You can use half or less. You can taste it as you go to make sure it's how you want it to taste. Alright, so our ceviche is ready here. If you don't like any spicy, it's perfect the way it is. It tastes delicious because it already has the lime with the cotija cheese right there, so you can be done. But if you want it spicy, let's go. Okay, so now it's the time to add our little salsa spicy thingy that we made, and we're gonna mix this very well with our ceviche. After taking a little tasty test, I feel that I needed a little salt, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some. Delicious ceviche, it's ready to eat.